Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Confidence. Today's story is very important. Many people think, if I just save money, I will become rich. But that is not true. Today I will tell you the true story of a Chinese businessman. His name is Mr. Li. He saved money for many years, but he stayed poor. Then one day he discovered a powerful secret. This secret changed his life forever. If you want to speak better English and learn smart money lessons, stay with me until the end. Let's begin. Many years ago, in a small city in China, there lived a man named Mr. Li. He worked very hard every day. He was a simple office worker. Every month he received his salary. He was very careful with money. He never bought new clothes. He never ate in restaurants. He never went on holidays. Every month he saved 50% of his salary. He put the money in the bank and felt very happy. I am saving money, he said to himself. One day, I will be rich. After 10 years, Mr. Li looked at his bank account. He had saved a lot of money, but he was still not rich. He still lived in a small apartment. He still rode an old bicycle. He still worried about money every month. One day he met his old friend, Mr. Chen. Mr. Chen was also from the same city. But now Mr. Chen was very rich. He had a big house, a nice car, and many businesses. Mr. Li was surprised. How did you become so rich? He asked. I saved money every month, just like you. But I am still poor. Mr. Chen smiled and said, saving money is good, my friend. But saving alone will not make you rich. Mr. Li was confused. What do you mean? He asked. Mr. Chen explained, money in the bank is sleeping. It is not working for you. To become rich, your money must work for you. Mr. Chen then told Mr. Li his secret. He said, I saved money, but I also invested my money wisely. I bought a small shop. Then I bought another shop. I learned new skills. I started a small business. My money was growing every year. Mr. Li listened carefully. He realized he made a big mistake. For 10 years, he only saved money. He never invested. He never learned new skills. His money was just sitting in the bank, doing nothing. That day, Mr. Li made a decision. He stopped only saving. He started learning. He started investing. He started building. 5 years later, Mr. Li became a successful businessman. He owned 3 shops. He had employees. He was finally rich, not just because he saved, but because he grew his money. Now, let's learn the important lessons from Mr. Li's story. Lesson 1 *: saving money is good, but it is not enough. You must also make your money grow. Lesson 2 * your money must work for you. When you only save, your money sleeps. When you invest wisely, your money works and grows. Lesson 3 * learn new skills. Mr. Li became rich when he started learning business skills. Knowledge is also a type of investment. Lesson 4 * start small, but start now. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Even small investments can grow big over time. Lesson 5 * don't be afraid to take smart risks. Mr. Li was scared at first, but he took action. Smart action brings smart results. Now, let's practice some useful English phrases together. Repeat after me. Saving money is important, but it is not enough. I want my money to grow. I am learning to invest wisely. I will start small and be patient. Practical tip for you *. This month, do these 2 things. 1. Save at least 20% of your income. 2. Use 10% to learn something new, maybe a small online course or a book about money. This is how real wealth begins. Remember this important truth. Saving alone will not make you rich, but saving plus learning plus smart investing will change your life. Just like Mr. Li, the Chinese businessman. If this story inspired you, please like this video and subscribe to Speak English with Confidence. Every week, I share simple English stories with powerful life lessons. Comment below and tell me, what is one thing you will do differently with your money this month? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you learned something useful from this video, please subscribe to the channel and support us.